My name is Shirley Wang. I'm in the University of California, Los Angeles, in Dr. Lily Yang's lab. My research is basically about how to treat cancer by using we call it immunotherapy. So sometimes we need to teach the immune cells to expand their ability to kill those cancer cells, or sometimes we need to expand some of the cells and put it back to the patient body, try to cure some specific type of cancers. I'm from China. I grew up from a small city, not very big. I stayed there until I was 18, and then went to college, went to graduate school, and then I went to United States to get my graduate school education here. Yes. I can remember that when I was a kid, I was always asked like, what you want to do when you grow up. So I think most of the time my answer is I want to be a scientist. So that's the starting point. And I think later, because my mom, she didn't get a lot of education because of the revolutionary at that time in China. So she always wants me to be a doctor. So I followed her instruction. I went to medical school, got my degree there, and got 1 year of residency training there. And during my training, I feel like, okay, if you want to treat a disease, you need to know the mechanism. How could this happen? When I was an intern in the hospital, because my major is pediatrician, so I saw a lot of kids suffering from leukemia, lymphoma, and all kinds of tumors, and they're very young, and I feel very sorry for them. So I think maybe I should try to find a better way to help them fight with the disease.
Yeah.
See everything.
Yeah.
My mission in the lab is I try to find a way or method to help to develop a better way to cure cancer. It's good. I'm working on the GFP samples. Yeah. I just started. Collaboration, I think it's the most important thing in the lab, because you need to communicate with people and share your experience, and the people will share their experience with you. And I think everyone has different experience, and there's kind of like compensation between each other. So I think it's a better way. If you have some problem, you can always talk to people in the lab. Maybe they also went through those kind of problems before, and they know how to resolve this problem. That could save your time. I think that's very important. If I can develop a method to expand some specific type of immune cells that can cure cancer, I hope finally those things can be applied to real patients. So that could help them fight with the disease. If you think about doing research in biomedical sciences, I think first you need to be very passionate, and science is not always goes smoothly, so you need to be prepared to encounter any kind of difficulties, and always try to be very confident, think, okay, I can take this over. So I think that's my suggestion.